On Sunday morning, Beijing, the capital of China, was hit by severe weather, and 3 warnings of hail, strong winds, and thunderstorm were issued. Hail fell in 7 districts including Pinggu, Tongzhou, Shui, and Miyun, with a maximum diameter of 5 centimeters. At 6 p.m. on the 12th, the Beijing Meteorological Observatory issued a thunder and lightning yellow warning signal. Hailstones fell violently in Beijing's Pinggu, Tongzhou, Shui, and Miyun and other places as a warning. Residents of Miyun district said that at around 8 o'clock in the morning, hail began to fall, mixed with heavy rain, and lasted for dozens of minutes. Many cars in the community were smashed out of the pit, white hailstones accumulated on the roofs and roads, and some cars were flooded. Some netizens said, "I was really scared by the hail of the day, and it can be said to be the most unforgettable memory in the rain. What happened to Beijing? My window was going to be smashed by the hail."